Hello, it's Bob back at the tool shop again. Kind of an interesting turn of events here. So as I had showed you earlier, I was using these little SD card extension devices, and the Logitech Media Server software, Picor Player, LMS combo would boot but wouldn't connect to the internet right. So I removed this, and I did the same thing with the squeeze light endpoint. So that just takes any possibility of issues with that out of the equation. So let's do some more assembly here. And there's a couple of questions I've got that I don't have answered yet, but well, I'll get there in a moment. There's one side. I'll have to get their pretty plastic off of that later so it looks nicer. All right, this is a kind of a multi-step, odd little process, but we'll get the idea of it here. So here's the right side. Put the right side face down on the table here. And then I'm going to stick that one Pi board in there, or the SSD board in there. Then I'm going to stick this Pi board, which is the, that's a 120 gig one. That's the one with the Logitech Media Server software. And then this is the one with squeeze light endpoint. Now, I am going to leave this board out because I want to be able to get the fan cables connected to that board rather than the top board, because the top board, remember, I'm going to put a hat on it which covers all that up, and I don't want to cause myself grief there. So that's sort of the plan with that. But the steps in the manual we didn't do yet is to mount these little horizontal tabs onto the fan. So long steel screws and nuts, and make sure the direction is correct. So what I'm going to do is pause the recording while I assemble this, because it sort of doesn't matter, and then we'll do the mechanical assembly.